In this guide, you'll learn how to free up storage space on your iPhone. Before you begin, it's a good idea to back up your device using iCloud or a PC to make sure your important data is safe. To check your storage launch settings, then navigate to the option General. Click on the option iPhone storage or iPad storage depending on your device. At the top of the screen, you'll see a graph showing how your storage is being used with categories like photos, messages, and apps. Below that, you're gonna find all the apps that are installed in your device along with the storage space they have taken. Now, what you can do is upload unused apps, which automatically removes apps you haven't used in a while but keeps their data so you can reinstall them later. So, launch any of the app, click on the option Upload app, confirm it. If you need even more space, you can delete the app completely, which removes both the app and its data. Go ahead and select the app that you don't use. Click on the option Delete and confirm it. Next up, what you can do is you can clear cache for the apps like Snapchat, TikTok, as this will also help you free up some storage. Likewise, you can manually remove content by scrolling down the storage list and selecting an app such as Messages. Here, you can review large attachments like photos and videos from your conversations and delete the ones you don't need by tapping Edit and selecting the files to remove. And that's it. This is how you can free up storage space on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.